All right, time for the last step in this process. We got to crop our photos. So once you have your template, again, it's your template, not our general template, and you have it saved in your project folder, you're going to add your photos. So we go to File, Place, and then you're going to navigate to the the photos that you saved in your folder. So again, Google Drive, going to navigate through your drive until you get to our 3D art folder. You're going to find the PhotoCube project. All right, and then find your folder. I'm looking at C. Evans Part 2. Now I can choose whatever photo I want to use first. So I want to use Rick. I'm going to select that photo and place it. If you uploaded your photos from an iPhone, you might need to use an online converter. All right, so you can just go HEIC to JPEG because that's the file type you might need to change. And you might need to change your high definition iPhone photos into JPEGs for them to be able to load on Illustrator. If you're having trouble with that, call me over. All right, but once you've selected a photo, click Place, and then it'll pop up here. When I click, it's usually too large. So we're just going to drag from the corners, okay? Notice, however, that when I drag like this, it gets stretched out, right? Rick doesn't actually look like that. So I'm going to press Control-Z to cancel. And then now when I drag from the corner, I'm going to hold Shift so that it stays proportional, right? The length and the width work out. Okay, you'll notice that this photo isn't going to work, right? Where it doesn't quite fill up that rectangle. It's a little too tall and not wide enough. So I'm going to resize it a little bit bigger, okay? And then I need to crop the photo so it will fit. All right, let me show you how to crop the photo. So with my photo selected, I can go up to Object and then Crop Image. Cropping a linked file, embeds, whatever. I'll just click OK. And now I have a selection window here. Okay, I can make this selection window the exact size of these rectangles, which is 3 by 6. So a width of 6 inches, a height of 3. Okay, I want that to be 6. 6. Let it be 6. Why won't you be 6? Can I? There we go. Okay, so I can stretch it until I get to 6. That's close enough. No, come on. Work for me. Almost. It's like I have it, and then I don't. There we go, 6. Okay, so that is how I want my photo to look. All right, I might need to resize the other one. But anyway, I click Enter, and then I perfectly cropped that photo, so now it can fit in that rectangle. All right, let me show that again. So I go to File, Place. I'm in my folder, so I can select an image. When I place it, it will be way too big. You can press Control- a few times to zoom out. I hold Shift and resize it just so it's more manageable to deal with. All right, and then I go up to Object, and I want to Crop Image. Okay, then I can resize my image crop, move it however I need to, all right, and make it work. I can directly change the size of this over here on the right-hand side. Okay, I'm going to cancel since I already have one image. These squares are 3 inches by 3 inches. The larger rectangles are 6 inches across by 3 inches down. So you want to upload your photos and use the crop image tool to make sure that you can fit them all in those necessary squares. Once you've done that, you're ready to print and start assembling.